Hello everyone, today we'll go over the step-by-step instructions to add an additional key using this ProKeyBox kit. We will be demonstrating how to program the key fob. And it is the same procedures if you just programming transponder key. To begin, you must have one working key to add additional key. This kit is compatible with 2015 to 2020 Honda Fit. I will list compatibility guide at the end of this video. This kit comes with the aftermarket key, the programmer tool, and the instruction manual. If you have your own unprogrammed key, you can also purchase the programmer tool separately. This tool will work on any aftermarket or original key. Today, we'll program the aftermarket key with the kit. Once you use this programmer tool, it will lock to your car VIN. This means you can reuse in your vehicle, but not in other vehicle. Make sure to cut the key blade first before you begin programming. So, to begin the process, insert your working key into the ignition and start the car. Then you need to connect the tool to the OBD port. Then press enter to continue. The programmer will communicate to your vehicle. When you hear the beeping tone, turn the ignition off and remove the key. Now insert the new key into the ignition and turn it to on position. Do not start the engine. Turn the key to off position. Turn it back to on position. The programmer will communicate to your vehicle. Turn the key to off position. Turn it back to on position. Once hear the beeping sound indicating programming is successful. This means it is all done. So, next, unplug the tool and let's test the key fob. Here, we can see it's working, and it's all good to go. Repeat the steps if you have more keys to program. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.